In this video, I'm going to show you how to download books from Google Play on Android. Start by picking up your Android phone and making sure you have the Google Play Books app installed. If you don't already have it, open the Play Store and try searching for Google Play Books. Sometimes it doesn't show up at the top of the search results. If that happens, open your Chrome browser and search for Google Play Books. You'll see the app appear right there on your screen. Tap on Install, and it will redirect you back to the Google Play page where you can download and install the app. Once installed, open the app and tap on Library at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll see all the books linked to your account. Keep in mind that you can't download books directly from the Google Play Store app to your local storage on Android, but you can download them within Google Play Books so they're available offline. If you see a checkmark icon next to any book, it means it's already downloaded and ready to read offline. If there's a download icon instead, simply tap it, then confirm by tapping OK. The download will begin. You can swipe down your notification bar to see the download progress as well. If for some reason tapping the icon doesn't work, press and hold on the book cover until a menu appears at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap Download, then confirm again. Once downloaded, your books will be available to read anytime, even without an internet connection. This is how you can easily download books from Google Play on Android.